Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end. Okay, so let me just check out. Okay, so as you guys can see that when we were discussing the gold pair yesterday, market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of short-term resistance, and it was tested. Market closed above this area, gave us a good profit till here, then almost tested our second area of resistance, closed below it, gave us another got profit till here, then once again closed above, and several good trades were given. So let me track the relevant trades for you guys. So for example, when market entered over here, you guys could have taken the long trade till here and your take profit, and this would be your stop loss. So approximately 3.7% profit would have come from this trade. And when the market closed below, then you could have gone short till here, and take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us a 1.8% profit. And afterwards, once market tested this as a resistance and then again closed above, then this trade would have given us approximately 1.4% profit. And now market is going sideways. So I think the similar scenarios are going to come into play tomorrow as well, or rather this will move over here, and this area will get converted to become an area of support, and now this will move over here. So and the keys are going to, this key is going to remain same, and I'm going to move forward these scenarios as they are going to remain same. Okay, so yes, something like this and this, and okay, this is okay, this will stretch over here. Okay, so these will be the keys, and these will be the remaining keys. Okay, so let me stretch the support and resistance zones a little ahead. Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good and profitable day in gold tomorrow as well. If you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the feedback section. Thank you.